Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and you guys might not believe this, but Poppy Willow Company is back in business. Oh yeah. And she asked if I would be a PR gal for her, and I made sure that Lisa from Lorene Plans was okay with that. And I am going to, well, I am PRing for both companies. So both of them have wonderful things that you would like for both of them. The thing that Poppy Willow has is foiling, and oh my gosh, I can see this kit already and I'm dying because it is so stinking cute. Holy cow. So, oh my gosh, I'm super excited. I'm so glad that she's doing this again. This is, it says new releases only at poppywillowco.com. So it doesn't look like they're selling on Etsy again, and this was a PR package, so I do need to say that, I guess. But look how cute it is. This says today, this week, plan. So really cute stuff. And then here is my code, TT.Scraps 15, and you will get this little sampler. How cute is that? Love it. And she sent me a couple of them. That's really cool. And her business card is phenomenal. It feels amazing. Loyalty scheme and new releases now exclusively at poppywillowco.com. So check that out. And I will post it below. And oh my goodness, look at this. Holy cow, guys. It's no wonder I fell in love with her stuff. So these are gold foiled on sunflowers, and they are just brilliant. And it has the days, or the dates, I guess, and then it says rescheduled, to do, canceled, me time, remember, shopping, important, date night, happy meal, to clean. And then there's flags that say bill due and payday. So how cool is that? And this is the Erin Condren monthly, and it's called Sunflowers. So this is awesome. So this is obviously for the monthly setup, and it's made for Erin Condren, but of course you can use it for whatever planner you have. And she has different selections on her site. And one thing I love about her monthly kits is that it comes with this. So you can use it for any month that you want to. It does not matter. You don't have to order specific ones for specific months. They all will come with all of the months, so you can choose whatever you want. And here's the days of the week again. And this one is for a set called Fantasy. And look at this. There's a unicorn. It says once upon a time. There's like a little fairy door. Oh, for a second I didn't think this was taping, but it is. Okay, good. So look how cute that is. And here is the washi. Oh my goodness. And again, that's called Fantasy. Here are the half boxes and quarter boxes. And they are truly beautiful. And here is the days of the week and functionals and little flags. Super cute. And here are all the headers. Her kits are super inclusive. Cute little designer stickers with all of the little canceled, canceled, rescheduled, wish there was a rewind, weekend, and then your habit tracker and full boxes, just super cute stuff. And then a page of check boxes. Oh my goodness, and she gave me the weekly kit for the sunflowers too. Oh. It really truly is that pretty. Oh my goodness. I wasn't really bummed, but I was kind of going, oh gosh, because I've already done my monthlies for this year. So I was like, well, I guess I'll just have to save it for next year. But look, I can do the sunflowers this year. I love them. So pretty. And look at that. They're just gorgeous. And here is this sheet with the cute sunflowers down here. My daughter loves sunflowers, so she's going to like these too. If I have any left over, which I'm sure I will because her kids are so big, I will give her some. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much for these. I absolutely appreciate them. They are gorgeous. I can't tell you. I saw these on Instagram and I thought, oh, those are nice. But in person, they are so much nicer. Holy schmoly. I am dying here. These are so cute. So cute. And thank you for giving me the weeklies and a monthly. That is super sweet. And I will definitely use all of them because they are gorgeous. And I do love how you do your monthlies. And guys, I would not want to PR for a company that I didn't like. I fell in love with her stickers before I ever asked or inquired about being a PR gal. So please know that her stickers are top notch. They are so pretty and just beautiful. And the foiling is literally second to none. I have never seen foiling any better than this for sure. So check it out. TT.Scraps 15. Go to poppywillowco.com and you will like what you find. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a wonderful day. Happy planning.